Hi, I am Dr. Eli Kolberg from Unlimited Robotics, and in this video I will talk about conductors and insulators. As we already encountered, electrons has an elliptical orbit around the nucleus. The electrons in the inner energy level will be difficult to eject from the atom since it will require significant force to act upon them. The electrons in the external energy level has weaker bonding with the atoms. This is the reason why it is easier for an electron in the external energy level to eject from its atom and be tied to another atom's external energy level. The valence electrons are called sometimes free electrons. The atom, when is looked from outside, is balanced and seems like it has no charge since the number of electrons is equal to the number of protons. If a free electron will detach itself from its atom, the atom will become unbalanced and with positive charge since the number of protons will be in this case bigger than the number of its electrons. This atom will attract free electron from an atom next to it and so forth. It creates incessant but coincidental and unorganized movement of free electrons. When a free electron is ejected from the atom to which it was connected, there will be a hole instead in the freed electron. Sometimes the holes are referred to as positive charges. Next figure presents random movement of free electrons in a conductor. We can see that each electron is moving in a different direction in an unorganized movement. We recall that the max number of electrons in the outermost energy level is 8. Element that has less than 4 electrons in the valence shell is called a conductor and will allow an easy transition to electric charges. Element that has exactly 4 electrons in the valence shell is called a semiconductor. Element that has more than 4 electrons in the valence shell is called an insulator, and it does not allow an easy transition for electric charges. Examples of conductors are copper, silver, aluminum, and gold. Examples of insulators are porcelain, wood, paper, rubber, oil, and distilled water. That's it for now. Thank you for having with me this time. Hope to see you in next video. Bye bye.